This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
It's Wednesday morning, time is 8:39. It's been raining last night, so it's a bit cold. So I want to preheat the car. It's been sitting outside last night, well, yeah, since last afternoon. Let's see, 84% battery left. And if we click here, before we even start anything, it says 18.5 degrees Celsius inside, and outside is 16, okay. But usually when we start it, it might change once the airflow gets going. Now what is Isabel gonna do now? She can open the door now. She's gonna play with that stuff, huh? Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the kindergarten soon. 17.5 degrees. And also, if you go back now, you see 17.5 inside. Okay, so we just want to have that slight extra comfort by raising it to 21 degrees Celsius. And then hopefully in about, I don't know, 15 minutes we are ready to go. But and then it seems like Isabel has other plans to get ready for kindergarten. By the time we get going, it's 9:12. Oh man. You know, let me see, I want to wipe here. How do you wipe this here? Yeah. It seems like kids, they don't have any concept of having to hurry, you know, get there in time. It's gonna be so much fun. Wait, what's up over here? Oh, this is nature. Oh, I see, the bigger bird is now killing the smaller bird. It's right there. Oh, poor bird. Well, I'm gonna stop the music a bit. Wow. Oh, sorry. But I need to pass. No. Oh, okay. But I need to pass. Yeah, there's a big bird eating a smaller bird, Isabel. You don't know what's going on, but this is part of nature. Okay, let me drive around. I'm gonna side swipe, use a 360 camera, and then I'll drive around. Okay, you can do your butchering. That's nature. Oh, wow. The bird actually flew with the prey. Okay. All right, back home, 82% so far, 1.8 kilometer from the kindergarten here. And you see, 0.6 kilowatt hour. All right, all good. 9:30 already. Yeah, so I park on a slightly different position now because I'm going to shoot a banana box test. So normally I just do it the most lazy way, the most convenient way, which is to park right in front of there, but I'll be doing banana box tests here with the Renault 5, so that's why. And it just stays here. So it's like I just want to use this car without too much hassle, you know. But this is exactly what I mean, is that actually before we left now with the kid and everything, right? The car locked like this, and then wifey was trying to get in the other side there, holding Isabel. And then I was standing here, you know, and the key fob is right here. And I was like, come on, can you just open already? You know? So I don't know, man, why it is like this. It's kind of clumsy. Once it had locked down, it seems like you then need to actually go away from the car for a bit. I'm not sure how far, right? And then you need to reapproach it so that it triangulates and figures out that, oh, the key fob is back. Then we need to unlock the car. Or maybe not. Yeah. So should I then disable the walk-away lock and lock manually? But then sometimes I risk of forgetting to lock, you know? And okay, it was not that, there you see, now it works. It's no big deal if it's idling in front of the house for an hour or two, but if I was idling at the shopping mall, or you know, the car was actually unlocked, I didn't notice it, then that could be a problem. You see, in comparison, the Renault 5, you walk away from the car, okay, it locks, you immediately come back, it unlocks, you leave it, you rush back, it unlocks. That's how it should be, right? All right, I prepared the banana boxes. Let's get cracking. Oh, okay. It's 4:15 in the afternoon now. I'm going to pick up Isabel. I put on a sunshade here when I got home. Okay. Yeah, earlier today I went to actually pick up Seeker 7X. Ooh, damn, it's a good car. But okay, put on the sunshade. The sun is over there. It's partly cloudy, but actually this little sunshade here helps. Well, now it works. It's random whether the thing works or not. But it actually helps, so then it's not too hot in here. Actually, I think I want to have 20 degrees. Outside is 22. Okay, anyway, we are down to 80% battery now. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some food. I have to go grocery shopping first before I pick up Isabel. Okay, if I pick up Isabel first and then go grocery shopping, it's just too much hassle. Okay, I take this route now. We have several Rema 1000, one near home, but I'm gonna go to the other, bigger, at Gystad, because I'm also going to Meny there to buy some other groceries. So yeah, that means slightly longer distance to drive. I'll be back home. I actually had to hurry and get Isabel from the kindergarten first, and then I went to Rema 1000, and then it's the same old story as the Rema 1000 near home, and same old story every time you go there. Isabel wants to eat this, Isabel wants to eat that, I want this, I want that. Every time we buy stuff, she doesn't always eat it, and now she's grumpy. She's quiet for now, but okay. So far, since Monday, we have driven 44 kilometers. That it also includes the test driver that my neighbor did. But okay, 44 kilometers. And then we had 77%, so we spent 23% so far. So, okay, see here. If we take 23, multiply by, I think we might have 88 kilowatt hour net capacity on this battery. Roughly there, okay? And they divided by 44 kilometer, we have consumed 460 watt hour per kilometer on city driving, including some preheating or pre-cooling, whatever, right? Or keep climate on. So yeah, I mean, it's freaking high, but okay, you guys hear what's going on in the back. Okay, that's gonna be it now for today. Good morning. Today is Thursday. It's been raining a lot last night. It's still raining. It's gonna rain all day. So I preheated the car. It was 16.5 degrees Celsius. Just want it nice and warm by the time we go to the kindergarten. And this is strange because, okay, here we have the good old Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I recently purchased a second-hand Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And okay, so I'm logged into the old phone. Well, actually, yesterday I logged into the new phone. Just standard procedure, log in. But then this morning I was charging the new phone and I still needed to use the old phone. I'm still setting up everything, right? Even though I use Samsung Smart Switch, but you have to log into all the accounts in here, the new phone. But okay, so while this phone was charging, I wanted to check the Nio and start preheating. And then the old phone actually said this, that the session timeout, log in again. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe periodically it will time out the session. So I logged in here, but now suddenly the new phone is timed out. So, it means that you can only stay logged into one app or one phone at a time. Why? Again, sorry, I need to mention Tesla, because Tesla I can log into several phones can be logged into the same account, right? It's very convenient. For example, when we own a Tesla and I would be logged onto my phone, wifey will be logged on her phone, but on the same account, so we can unlock the car and so on. So I'm going to try to log in here, and then I'll probably be logged out there, right? Okay, so now we're logged into a new phone, but then in order to look at the car, this is also, I don't know, it's a new thing, but unable to, okay. So you need to load the vehicle data into this phone or something. I'm not sure how it works, but if I load the vehicle data, okay, PIN code. Okay, let's see now. Certificate downloaded successfully. And then it's going to take a couple of seconds, and then the new car should show up here.
Oh, wait. No, okay, no, I forgot. I have to press download. Okay, now it loads the car there. Will it disappear here? 3D. Oh, awesome! Cool. Start now. Wait. Now apparently we're logged on both. But what if I do this? Clear all. Go back to the Nio app here. Sending data to China. Oh, the old phone is really slow. Well, just to confirm, it was not a coincidence. Yeah, now the new phone is logged in. The old phone, session timed out. Please log in again. Okay, at least if this is a feature, it should tell you that you have been logged out on this device because you logged in on another device. Okay, 76% now, raining, gonna go to the kindergarten. But as always, I have to change the mode here. Actually, I haven't tried to switch over to Nio Bjørn yet. Maybe I should do that. I asked Nio about this. They said you can just switch over, but I might have to set up things once I switch over to Nio Bjørn. But okay, Missy Bjørn, la meg love Missy Bjørn now, Isabel. Okay, so I thought, wait, okay, so I don't want comfort. I always want custom anyway. But what if you do this and you customize and you say that, okay, these are the ones you want to cycle through, right? When you click the button. Well, just remove custom then. No, not remove custom, remove comfort. But it says unable to unselect when in comfort mode. Well, but all right, okay, unable to select. Well, let's switch over to Sport Plus mode. Now we're in Sport Plus. You can see the checkered flag there. All right, and then we, I don't know, go out of this. We're still in Sport Plus. And if I click here, and then I click on custom, and I want to uncheck comfort, it is not possible. It seems like comfort must always be there. Well, okay, hopefully they can fix this with a software update. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, save. Snart har skatten vår, så kan vi ta det rolig de neste 100 år. Isabel always want to listen to this song. Okay, we're back home, 72%, not much going on. I went grocery shopping a little bit before I went to pick up Isabel, but okay, let's go home now. All right, stop this. Oh yeah, we just let the car sit outside. It's raining again. Yeah, and then look at that. Wow, nice wide angle. Wait, what? What? Boom! Look at that zoom and stabilization. Yeah, what is this? What is it? So. Oh, it's my new phone. Yes, this is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Yeah, I figured I wanted to upgrade the phone. It was getting a little bit beaten down, and also the sound was not good for some reason. Maybe, I wonder if one of the holes here were clogged by dust and schmutz. But yeah, this is nice. You know, that when it was new 1 year ago, it cost 11.5k NOK. Now it's 6k NOK. Man, depreciation on phone is massive. Okay, all good. Now we just chill. Now it's, well, yeah. Now it's just, I don't know, what's the time now? 5 in the afternoon, yeah. Family time. And then actually, tonight I have 1,000 kilometer challenge with a Seeker 7X. Ooh, game over, right? What the heck is going on over there? Okay, let me go check it out. Alright, it is now Saturday. We mostly skipped yesterday. We were talking about going on. But we are going on a trip to the shopping mall. So this time I don't bother using my big camcorder. I'm going to try to use my phone. There's a Samsung Galaxy S. See it here. Oh yeah. It's not. Yay! Okay, I can switch. I think every time I switch from the front to the back camera, there's a little bit drop in the video. But we are down to 61%. Okay. Anyway, let's get ready. Yeah, shopping mall. Wait, before I start, I need to. We need to do this side swipe, massage. Wait. Oh, it remembers the mode. I have the cat tab. Wi-Fi has the dynamic. Yeah, look at that. Wait, I can also go... Oh, I can go wide on the camera. This is wonderful. I don't need to use the camcorder anymore. No. I just use this phone instead. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I need help for parking because I'm a noob.
Please check our surroundings. I'm parking now.
Yeah, it's good. Okay. Wow, I have to say, the phone has pretty good video quality. It is a bit tight, you know. This is a big car. What, does the car know what it's doing? I hope so. There you go, forward. All right. Those spots are reserved. There's a Tesla coming over there. Then it goes back. Oh, it is a bit tight on the left side here, I see.
The car is parked.
We could always...
You're in charge now.
I'm in charge, okay, thank you. We could always unload the people on the right side. Here it's like this now. Yeah, okay, all good. Okay, go for lunch at by Pikene. So you went for burger, yeah, Isabel. Oh yeah, you want that? Okay, here, go burger for you. I mean, that's sauce for you. And then some club sandwich. And then we have to watch out what Axel can eat because he's allergic to egg white. So there is egg in there somewhere. Egg here, possibly in the bread here, so we have to avoid that. And then, remember, it's all about family, your family. So I went for actually the way you want, ordered the lemonade. Wifey didn't like it. She grabbed the Coke. And then I ordered this for Isabel. Then she snatched this from me. So now I guess I'll be drinking mead. Okay, now we go to Ballubalon. Yeah. It's in the shopping mall. Lots of other kids playing around here. Oh, yeah. Just have some fun. Family time. I want to spend several hours here, almost closing time now, closing hour. So yeah, we had to pick up some groceries, and man, Isabel, we mentioned that Isabel would get ice cream. She did not forget about that. I thought she would forget. No, so we need to clean. Oh. Axel also had some snack, otherwise he would be grumpy, so he also needs to be clean. Okay, let's go to the toilet. And also, when it comes to diapers, we are going on road trip soon, and Norway has the cheapest diapers. They cost, I don't remember how much, like 10 euro cents per diaper only. So, if you go on a road trip, we don't want to buy diapers other places. Just going to Sweden, the same diapers cost 2-3 times more. So, alright, now let's find the toilet. Yeah, they're already closing soon. We are home now. Axel fell asleep towards the end. Wake, you have to wake up. No, you have to wake up. Otherwise you won't sleep tonight, or I mean, you sleep late tonight. Come on, mommy's coming. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, now there's some over there. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. So since Monday we have driven only 75 kilometers, and then based on this, we spent 42%. I calculated we have averaged 493 watt-hour per kilometer. I mean, there's a lot of idling and preheating or pre-cooling and stuff going on here. So, all right, let's get all the stuff inside. Yeah, I think I have enough now for the Europe road trip. Yeah, we have the size 6 for Isabel, size 4 for Axel, and I calculated that 5 of these 5 packs should last for around 2 weeks. And then I checked the price. They cost around 15 euro cents per diaper. And then also some wet tissue, and then also swimming diaper. But I'm not sure. I mean, it takes up some space, but the EL6 has tons of space. So I could always tuck some of this in the empty pockets here and there. So we'll see. But if, of course, there's a problem, then I will prioritize the diapers and I can leave this at home because we need this at home anyway.